Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Peyton for those of you who don't know me, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this curled texture using a Bio Ionic Stylewinder. If that's something that you're interested in, then please keep watching. Today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair using the Bio Ionic, I think it's called the Stylewinder, maybe it's the Sidewinder, but I think it's the Stylewinder. This is my favorite curling iron. It has this really interesting mechanism at the bottom where you just twist it and then your hair like wraps in through it. It has its regular clippy thing too, but it's really amazing. So I'm going to start by turning it on. It literally heats up in like 30 seconds. And I'm gonna put it down to 270. And first I'm going to part my hair like right where my ears are to do the first section. I always start from the bottom and go up. Okay, so clip this top, or I just have a hair tie, so I'm just gonna put it in a little bun and keep it out of the way. And then I'm gonna separate these two pieces. There, now I can see my hair. Okay, so the first thing I do is just make sure all the tangles are out, because you don't want to curl your hair when it's tangled. And with these bottom pieces, I'm going to have it so that they curl inwards, so that they'll have a tendency to actually fall in front of my shoulders. So I'm going to take this and open it up like this, put this so it'll be on the back, and clamp it up at the very top. And then you literally just twist and guide the ends over. I'm gonna leave the ends out so it won't be such a really spiral curl look. It'll be more of like a wavy. And then with this side, it's the same thing. I'm gonna curl it in towards my face. So this clamp part is on the outside, and then you just twist and guide the ends, again leaving the ends out. And you only have to hold it on for a couple seconds. The second section I'm going to start at where my temples are, and then again separating it and getting this top section out of the way. A clip a lot of times is easier, I just couldn't find one. So I'm putting it in a little bun. Okay, so my little baby hairs tend to get pretty curly, as you can tell. So before I start actually doing the curl, I just take my curling iron without opening this at all, just using this back silver part, and I literally kind of just really lightly and quickly smooth out my baby hairs. So now with this front piece, I like to make it go away from my face. So I'm gonna hold it out so that I don't burn my ear. Clamp it, and then just guide the ends around. So once I get up to this section, I alternate the directions of the curl. So this one was away from my face, so now this one's gonna go towards. So every time it goes towards your face, the clamp is on the back side, and every time that it goes away from your face, the clamp is starts on the front side. The trick for this iron is to always make sure your ends get all the way over so that they don't get tangled in this bottom part. I think that's the hardest thing about using this iron. But once you get used to it, it's so easy. Now for the other side. Now the last section. So with this part, you just want to kind of shake it out and put it where you're going to want it to part. And then with this section, for whatever reason, I like to start in the back. So I'm going to separate it down the middle. Also, the different part about this top section is I make all of the top parts go back away from my face. I just like the look of that. So, starting with the clamp on the front side. My hair was just in a high ponytail, so I have a little bit of a kink, and I am just gonna straighten that out before I curl. Now this is the last very tiny piece. And this you can do really quick because it is so small. Whee! And then we're gonna do the same thing with this side. Again, having everything go away from my face and starting in the back. Last piece. I'm very softly trying to tame down these baby hairs a little bit. Okay, now after everything is curled, you have to turn off your iron and let your hair cool down. Now that my hair is cool to the touch, I'm just gonna go in with my fingers open like this and comb through and break up all the curls. And this is where you would finish with any texture spray, hairspray, shine spray, any products that you like to put on your hair to finish when it is all finished. So here's the finished hair look. Kind of a disheveled, curly hair look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that's what people that like watching my videos do. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.